Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of Samsung Notes not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Samsung Notes in the Windows search bar and you can see Samsung Notes here. Now if it's not working, then simply go to the app settings tab, scroll down. First of all, terminate the process. Why? Because if it's open, then you won't be able to perform other solutions. Then select repair and repair through it. It will need a few seconds and wait till you get a tick mark here. If that doesn't work, then simply reset and reset it once again. Now this will again need a few seconds. But if this doesn't help either, then what would be the last solution? In that case, we will have to uninstall it. So click on uninstall and uninstall once again. And once it is uninstalled, search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Samsung Notes and then go to the Samsung Notes app. Select install and then you will be able to reinstall the application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.